I'm going to go through how to use the formula that you learned for triangle to solve some problems with area when we have triangles. Okay, the formula that we learned for triangle in our previous video was 1/2 area equals 1/2 base times height. Okay, another way that you can think about that formula is area equals base times height divided by 2, because multiplying by 1/2 and dividing by 2 are the same thing. Okay, and I like to use this one, I just think it's easier, but either one of these will work. So what I want you to do is I want you to put this in your notes on your formulas page as well. Okay, so in this question right here, we're going to find the area of the triangle. Okay, so area equals base. Okay, we have to find the base, which is 7 inches, okay, because this is the bottom of the triangle based on where the height is. Okay, so we'll have 7 times our height. Remember, our height always goes from the base of the shape to the top, or the bottom to the top, and it has to be a straight line. We can't use this 5 inches because that's not straight up and down, okay? It's slanted. We want to use this dotted line on the side as our height. So our height is 3.5, and then we're going to divide that by 2. Okay? Now that we have everything filled in, we just need to multiply. So 7 times 3.5. If you don't know what that is, you can do that on the side like I'm doing. So we get 24.5. Actually, I'm gonna write here. 24.5 divided by 2. Okay. Again, if you don't know what that is, we can do that on the side. Okay, so when we take 24.5, we get 12.25. Or when we take 24.5 divided by 2, we get 12.25. So our answer is 12.25 inches squared. Okay, so we used our formula. We could have used this formula as well. We would have gotten the same answer. Okay, because multiplying by 1/2 and dividing by 2 are the same. Okay, but just like all our other formulas, make sure that you fill in each number that you need. Identify what you're solving for and then fill in each number that you need. Okay, let's try another one where we're solving for a length on the triangle.
So
Here's our problem, okay? We need to solve for this length, okay? This is our height because this is our right triangle, okay? So this line goes from the bottom of the base to the top, okay? That side, and this is our base, okay? So what's our formula? First of all, our formula that I'm gonna use is area equals base times height divided by 2. And I'm gonna plug in the numbers. So area, we know area, it's 15. We know our base, no, but it's x, okay, because that's what we're solving for. Our height is 5 divided by 2. Okay, now we just need to solve for x. Well, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to multiply by 2, so there's nothing in the denominator. And what you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So these cancel. 2 times 15 is 30 equals 5x. And then we just have to divide by 5. these cancel. X equals 30 divided by 5 is 6 inches. Excuse me, 6 feet. So this base is 6 feet. Okay? So what we're doing is we're showing how to use the formula. How to use the formula for triangle to solve for area, or use area to solve for a missing length. Okay? Make sure these both get in your notes, and if you have questions, make sure that you ask. But remember what we're trying to do here. We're trying to show how we can use formulas to solve questions for area. Okay? We're not just trying to find the answer, because remember, the answer to me doesn't make as much, I don't care as much about the answer as I do about how you're using the formula and how you're showing me how to use the formula.